Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong career and money reading for January 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay, and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee, available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay. Let's see. Cancer, what's up sa inyong kaperahan ngayong January 2024? Let's see. Okay, 11th house. So, community. So, maaring you will be needing community ngayong January. I-involve mo yung mga kaibigan mo, tao sa paligid mo na malalapit sa'yo. This can also mean yung sa social media, no? So, pwedeng ikaw ay isang content creator or malaking impact sa'yo ang social media sa pagpapaunlad ng career mo or ng business mo. Okay? You also have Mercury, which is about communication. Ayan. So, I think may mga bago kang creative ideas related sa career, sa business mo. And connecting with other people will also help you improve your finances in a lot of ways. So, ibig sabihin, mas marami kang kakilala, mas maraming pamamaraan na na-expose mo yung iyong trabaho, business, career. Lalo na kung ikaw ay isang social media influencer or you are earning through content creation, internet. Ayan, so I see progress para sa iyo kasi 9th house is also about your growth. So some of you maaring merong opportunity to travel abroad, to work abroad, or seek higher education. So yung iba, pwedeng ipagpapatuloy nyo ang pag-aaral ninyo or may idadagdag kayong bagong knowledge, bagong skills para mas mapaunlad nyo ang inyong mga sarili, ang inyong kabuhayan. Oo, kasi minsan kahit na paano establish ka na or meron ka ng trabaho or career, minsan meron ka talagang interest na gusto mo na mas palawigin pa. Yung iba naman gustong sumubok ng bago, like for example, gusto niyo mag-business, tapos sa pagbi-business naman mas maganda na alam mo kung ano yung business na pinapasok mo yung industriya na yon. So halimbawa gusto mong pumasok sa automotive business pero hindi ka pa ganun ka maalam sa mga sasakyan. So merong mga ino-offer na courses ang TESDA. So hindi lang sa automotive, no? Kahit ano pa yung mga courses na ino-offer ng TESDA na makukuha mo ng libre, no? Kailangan lang oras, panahon, tsatsagain mo lang talaga para matutunan mo yung skill na yon. And makakatulong yan sa'yo. Yan, no? Marami kang options. So, meron ditong convertible. Speaking of sasakyan, yung ba sa inyo maaring ang trabaho or career ay related sa sasakyan, auto parts, mga sa sales, no, ng sasakyan. Yes, you are trendsetter. You are a trendsetter. Very confident ka. Entrepreneurial, person of fire. So, someone who likes to do business, no? Very creative ka rin. So, maaring yung iyong creative ideas, you will turn it into business. You will also be partnering with people na pwedeng pareho kayo ng interest, ng goal sa buhay. This can be your friend or a family member. And this is what your fulfillment is. Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng romantic partner ninyo ang makakasama nyo dito sa gusto nyong i-pursue sa buhay. Let's see your overall energy. You have the 3 of Cups. So, this is celebration. I think talaga you are starting to socialize. No? Mas marami kang connections ngayon, friends. You are part of a community na nagtutulungan para mas mapaunlad ang kanilang kabuhayan. Maraming ganun kahit sa Facebook, ganyan. May mga community dyan na nagtutulungan for business, for a certain talent or arts, no? You have the Hanged Man. This is also about knowing what you really want. Yung pagiging sigurado sa gusto mo. Kasi pwedeng iba sa inyo, marami kayong options na available. Pero syempre, 'di ba, hindi naman natin 'yan pwedeng pagsabay-sabayin all at the same time, like 3 things all at the same time. Lalo na kung limited yung resources natin. So for some of you, you will only focus on 1 or 2 things na alam mong kaya mong i-handle. So, yung challenge mo, 5 of Pentacles. So, pwede ang challenge sa'yo ay resources mo. When it comes to money, pwede rin meron kang kakilala ka mag-anak na hingi ng tulong sa'yo financially ngayong January. So, isa yan sa challenge sa'yo if kaya mong tumulong. You have the 5 of Wands. So, mukhang pwede siyang maging dahilan ng misunderstanding, away, no? Pwedeng magkaroon ka ng challenge pagdating sa pera related sa kaibigan mo or kakilala ka trabaho na hindi nasunod yung ipinangako pagdating sa kaperahan. So, tingnan natin yung inyong opportunity. What is the opportunity for Cancer? Wow, you have the 9 of Pentacles. You have the opportunity to be independent, to focus on learning. Tingnan mo, nag-aaral siya, nagbabasa siya ng book. So, hindi siya tumitigil sa pagpapaunlad ng kanyang isip, ng kanyang skills, kasi gusto niya na magpatuloy yung pag-unlad ng kanyang kabuhayan. Yes, with the Chariot card, meron talagang patutunguhan tong mga ipupurso mo sa trabaho, sa career, sa business mo. Kailangan lang talaga na you know what you want. Okay? Kaya makakatulong rin na maging mapanuri ka sa paligid mo, alin talaga yung interest mo, no? Get to know yourself better. Because with the Chariot, this is about triumph, this is about victory, and moving forward, no? So, anything na may delay pagdating sa pera, sa mga inaasikaso mo sa business, sa trabaho mo, ngayong January, makakaramdam ka na niya ng movement, paggalaw, oo. Tapos na ang paghihintay. So, your blessing is, wow, the World. Your blessing is accomplishment. So, meron kang ma-accomplish na napaka-importanting bagay sa trabaho, sa career, sa business mo ngayong January. Oo, pwede yung iba sa inyo makakapag-abroad pa or makakapagbakasyon sa malayong lugar na kung saan yun yung gagamitin mong pamamaraan para ma-appreciate mo yung mga pinaghirapan mo, yung mga efforts mo. Wow! Tingnan mo naman ang blessing mo, Queen of Pentacles. So, that's about having the resources that you need. Oo, having financial stability. You will soon enter into a beneficial partnership. O, diba? Luck and longevity bless this union. So, merong beneficial partnership. Pwedeng, sa business. Be bold and confident. Use all of your resources to create your dream. See? You will tap into your resources para makuha mo yung goals mo. Use your discernment and fortitude to achieve your goals and find a new rhythm. So, yeah, that's actually the whole reading for you, Cancer. It's about your discernment. Okay? So, that is your reading. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.